We have a great helper command for composite panel drawings. First, draw the guideline you want to convert into a composite panel. Run the command and click the Composite Outline button to select your guideline. If needed, you can flip the drawing using the Flip option. If you want to hatch the inside, check the Hatch button. Click the Create button. If you want to add a flange to the composite panel you drew, use the Composite Panel Flange command. Click the Folding Points button and mark the points where you want to draw flanges. Click the Side to Draw option. Once all steps are complete, click the Create button to finalize the command. I want to add a box profile as a substructure. Since all profile placement techniques are the same, I will demonstrate the inputs on just one. I enter the section dimensions I want. If the color and material information to be used in the project is entered correctly, it will be very useful when adding annotations later. If you want the inside to be hatched, you should check the Hatch command. On the left side, select the position from which you want to add the profile. Once all your settings are complete, click the Insert Point button to add the profile to the drawing. We use this command to draw the plan views of profiles. First, select the profile you want to draw the plan view for and enter its properties. You can preview the profile by clicking the 2-point button and selecting 2 points. You can also adjust its position using the top, middle, or below options. Once all your settings are complete, click the Create button to finish the command. If you want to do this by defining a line instead of 2 points, click the Select Curve button, select your guideline, complete the other steps, and click the Create button. We use this command when we want to add a plate to our drawing. First, draw the guideline. Click the Select Curve button and select your guideline. Adjust the thickness and corner bend radius. If you want to unroll the plate later, you should enter an appropriate K factor. If you want to hatch the inside, check the Hatch button. After making all the adjustments, you can change the plate's position using the Flip button. Once everything is set, click the Create button to complete the command. Plates are dynamic blocks, so you can make changes as needed in the future. If we want to add a plastic box to our project, we run the command. On the left side, we set the Insert option from the desired point. We select the section of the box. If we want the inside to be hatched, we should click the Hatch button. After completing all the settings, we place the plastic box by selecting 2 points with the Insert Points option. If we need to place a plastic wedge in certain areas of the project, we run the command. On the left side, we set the Insert option from the desired point and specify the dimensions of the wedge. Select the Reinforced Concrete Column option from the Reinforced Concrete section. Click the Select Columns button, choose the guidelines and confirm. Pardus will convert the guidelines into reinforced concrete elements. If you want to draw a beam and slab in the section, simply draw a guideline as shown in the example. Then select the Reinforced Concrete Beam option from the Reinforced Concrete section. click the Select Beam button and choose your guideline. Pardus will automatically convert the guideline into a reinforced concrete element. We use this command when parts need to be fastened with clips. First, specify the thickness of the plate you want to clamp, then select the material. Click the Insert Points button, and you can add the clip to the drawing by selecting 2 appropriate points. We use this command when we want to draw finishing elements like plaster or drywall around a column. For plaster, go to the Plaster section, click the Insert Points button, and select the points where you want to draw the plaster. If you want to change its position, check the Flip box. Once the drawing is as desired, click the Create button to complete the command. For gypsum board, go to the Gypsum Board section, click the Insert Points button, and select the points where you want to draw the gypsum board. If you want to change its position, check the Flip box. If you want to use 2 layers of drywall, check the Double box. To draw the internal supports, activate the Stud option. Once all your settings are complete, click the Create button to finish the command.